What's the meaning of copulate? Copulate. Copulate.
Copulate. Copulate. Copulate is a technical term that refers to the sexual act of two animals, typically used in reference to mammals. During copulation, the male inserts his penis into the female's vagina, which allows for the transfer of sperm and fertilization of the female's eggs. The physical result of copulation can range from pleasure and enjoyment to discomfort or even injury if not done properly. Copulation is an essential part of reproduction in many species, including humans, and plays a crucial role in maintaining genetic diversity and ensuring the survival of the species.